Make the song come on. Oh, she did. Oh, there you go. Are you going to rock out? You're not going to jam out this time, Jackie?
We're going to show you that one.
Oh, he's showing you that one, Jackie.
I'll show you.
Yeah. You're so sweet to share your toys. I think it's called a fast lane. Yep. She likes it.
Fast lane.
Fast lane.
What's that?
Flames, like fire.
What's that called?
Oh, those are sticker flames that are like fire.
What's that called?
The where?
What's that? Who's that semi-truck called?
Oh, well, whatever. It's called a semi-truck, but it says fast lane on it. You can call it whatever you want.
What's that? Fast lane.
That's right.
And the crane has that lane.
Yeah? Hi, Jackie. Well, she's excited. She likes it. You're such a great big brother sharing your toys, and you show her how to do everything with the toys. You show her all the buttons and how it works. Yeah, she's happy.
So you have to put them in the monster toy.
Yeah. Aw. Thank you, sweet big brother.
That baby moving.
I hear it. Yeah, you have to press it when it's moving so it doesn't, so everyone knows to back up and not get hit. Okay. I love you both very much. My two babies. 3 years old and 9 months old. Yeah. Aww. Thank you, big brother. Monster truck.